Friends, we are starting chapter number 2, polynomial. So first of all, we have to know the meaning of polynomial. What is polynomial? Poly means many, nomial means term, मतलब many terms. And what is term? So remember, term may be any number, any variable, or product of number and variable. For example, 3 is a term, minus 3 is a term, 5 is a term, minus 5 is a term, root 1 is a term, root 2, root 5, or 39 or 1 crore or whatever. All numbers can be a term. For example, only x or x square or x cube or y square or xy, that all are terms, that all are variable, and these all are terms, or product of number and variable. Suppose I am writing that 3x square or minus x cube, matlab here in minus x cube coefficient is minus 1. Remember that here coefficient of x square is equal to 3, coefficient of y square is equal to 1, coefficient of x cube is equal to 1, here also 1 and here also 1. If I write that 9x, then coefficient of x is equal to 9 here. So these all are terms. Now what is polynomial? Then polynomial, as I told you, polynomial means many terms. Many terms. What means that many terms? It means that algebraic expressions of terms. Algebraic expressions means addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division of terms, two or more terms. There may be one term, it is also described in it, but in a proper definition we will speak that algebraic expressions of two or more terms, like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of two or more terms, is called polynomial. So for example, I am taking x square, 9x, and 3. So it is a polynomial, that x square plus 9x minus 3. It is a polynomial. Here x square plus 9x minus 3 is a polynomial, or I can write that 2x cube minus x square plus 3x minus 1 is a polynomial. Only 2x is a polynomial. Suppose I am writing 1 minus 3x square, it is a polynomial. What is the standard form of polynomial? Then remember, look at here first. Okay, I am turning the page. Then standard form of polynomial. What is standard form of polynomial? The standard form of polynomial with variable x, it is denoted as p of x. P of x means polynomial with variable x, and p of x is equal to an x raised to n plus an minus 1 x raised to n minus 1 plus an minus 2 x raised to n minus 2, and so on up to a1 x raised to 1 means x, and a0 x raised to 0. So it is standard form of polynomial. Now here in several books we can see that the standard form of polynomial is an x raised to n and up to a0 x raised to 0. So what is an minus 1, an minus 2 up to a1? That here an minus 1, an minus 2, all belongs to R. All are coefficient, all are constant number, all belongs to R real numbers. And the condition number 2, and most necessary, that power of variable x must be a whole number. Means power may not be negative. Remember, power of variable must be a whole number. It means that I cannot write x raised to -1 plus 5x plus 3 is a polynomial. Why? Because power of variable is -1, so it is not a polynomial. I can't write that x plus 1 upon x is a polynomial. Why? Because in x plus 1 upon x, I can write here x plus 1 upon x means x raised to 1. According to law of exponents, the denominator, if I convert the denominator into numerator, then it can be written like that x plus x raised to -1. Here also power is negative, so it is not polynomial. Yeah, if it is written that 3 root x plus 5x, then it is also not a polynomial. Remember, my friends, because here also power of variable is fraction, not a whole number, because root x means x raised to 1 by 2. Okay, then what is, according to standard form, what is polynomial? That if I can write, I am writing here that p of x is equal to 5x square minus 3x plus 1. So here power of variable is whole number. We can write here 3x raised to 1 and 1x raised to 0. X raised to 0 means 1, as we know. So power of variable, minimum power is 0, 0, 1, 2, etc. And constant number can be any real number. Like I can compare it with standard form of polynomial, that an x raised to n plus an minus 1 x raised to n minus 1 plus an minus 2 x raised to n minus 2. Then here n is equal to 2, x raised to 2, x raised to 2 minus 1 मतलब 1, x raised to 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, n is equal to 5, n minus 1 is equal to 3, n minus 2 is equal to 1. For example, I am writing p of x is equal to x raised to 4 minus 3 by 2 x cube plus root 5 x square minus 3x plus 1. Here also I can compare it with standard form, n x raised to n plus n minus 1 x raised to n minus 1 plus n minus 2 x raised to n minus 2 plus n minus 3 x raised to n minus 3 plus n minus 4 x raised to n minus 4 and up to the number of terms. Here n मतलब coefficient of first term. And remember that in standard form, power of variable is always in descending order. If there isn't, then we can convert it in descending order. Here power of variable is in descending, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0, as like in standard form, and n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3. Okay, so here coefficient is 1 here, n minus 1 is equal to minus 3 by 2. Remember, it can be any real number, like n minus 2 is equal to root 5, etc, etc. If it isn't in the standard form, then I can write, suppose it is given that 3 minus 2x square, then I can convert it into the standard form. I can write it like minus 2x square plus 3. Here there isn't any term with variable x. Okay, then minus 2x square plus there is a term of x, then I can add 0x. There won't be any difference by adding 0x or subtracting 0x. Then x square, then x, then a constant term 3. I have converted this 3 minus 2x square into minus 2x square plus 0x plus 3. Okay, understood? Okay, have a look of it if you want to write or make a note of it. Yeah. Okay, then in next video we are learning the type of polynomial by number of term and by power of variable.